Hello viewers. Welcome to the news spotlight around the world. At Disparate. First, the headlines. Right-wing Tories plotting to replace Rishi Sunak with Penny Mordaunt. Disparate Tory factions are said to have met to discuss coronation of Penny Mordaunt as fourth Tory leader since last election. I would like to be emailed about offers, events and updates from the Independent. Read our privacy notice. A number of factions of the Conservative Party are reported to have held discussions about replacing Rishi Sunak as Prime Minister, and uniting around Penny Mordaunt instead. In a desperate bid to boost the dire electoral prospects, MPs on the Tory right have met with both moderates and members of Ms Mordaunt's team this week. The mutinous Tories are said to have discussed replacing the Prime Minister in a coronation, following a no-confidence vote, as opposed to putting their party and country through another leadership contest ahead of the looming general election, after Mr. Sunak finally ruled out a May ballot. They are said to be hoping that a new cabinet resignation will trigger the collapse of Mr. Sunak's premiership and usher in the party's fourth leader since the last election, despite the fact that the recent departure of moderate-turned-hardliner Robert Jenrick from his post as immigration minister failed to inspire others to follow suit. And that's the end of the news spotlight. Thank you for watching. Please